Right, in this video I'm going to show you how to find an estimate for the mean from a grouped frequency table. First of all, it's a grouped frequency table. You can see here more than 10, less than or equal to 14. So these don't overlap because this is just more than 14. So why is it an estimate? It's an estimate for the mean because I can't times this group by a frequency, therefore I have to take the midpoint of the group as a representation. I'm going to write my midpoints here. We've got 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and 32. So I've took 12 as to represent between 10 and 14, and the frequency of that temperature was 2 days. So for 2 days we've used 12 as the temperature. So in total that would be the midpoint times the frequency, which is 12 times 2, which is 24. This is a calculator question, and I've got my calculator here to help me. So 16 times 8, 16 times 8 gives me 128, which I'll pop there. That was 16 times 8, 20 times 14, 20 times 14 gives me 280, 280, 24 times 23, 24 times 23 gives me 552, 552, 28 times 9, 28 times 9 gives me 252, 252, and finally 32 times 4, 32 times 4 is 128. So what I've got so far is the total number of days, which I can add them up. I know it's going to give me 60, and to add these up would give me an estimate of the total temperature. So I've got 24 plus 128 plus 280 plus 552 plus 252 plus 128 gives me 1364. Now, to find an estimate for the mean, it's the total temperature divided by the total number of days. So it's 1364 divided by 60. That's 1364 divided by 60 gives me 22.733333. The accuracy is to 3 significant figures. So that's the first significant figure, the second and the third. The 3 is the accuracy, and I don't round up on the 3. So that's 22.7 degrees is my estimate for the mean. Now finally, is that a sensible answer? Well, it's clearly between the lowest temperature in the lowest group and the highest temperature in the highest group. So 22.7 is a reasonable answer. On the following slide, there is a question for you to do. Press pause and have a go at this question and the answer will come up very quickly. Good luck. Right, here is the answer. Hopefully you got it right. Let's just go through it very quickly. First of all, you'll notice that in this exam question you were given 2 additional columns. I decided to cross the 4th one out as my midpoints. I like to write them here so they don't become part of my problem when I come to do my add-in at the end. So midpoints times the frequency, there's my totals, add those up and make sure that you've rounded it properly. This is how you do an estimation for the mean from a grouped frequency table, a popular question on the GCSE higher examination and often worth 4 marks, so an important one to get right. Hope you enjoyed the video and check out another one soon. Bye for now.